Well, former Congresswoman Corrine Brown lost her motion to remain out of jail pending her appeal and almost immediately changed lawyers.
The former Congresswoman has retained the firm of Kent and McFarland that specializes in appeals. Now, the principal attorney, William Kent, is a former federal public defender.
So the question tonight, can he keep the former Congresswoman out of jail? How is he rated among his peers? Our Ken Amaro is getting answers.
Very good questions, Anthony. William Kent has been a lawyer for nearly 4 decades. Brown's case has catapulted his firm into the spotlight. His firm has had convictions overturned on appeal, but will he obtain the same results with the Corrine Brown case?
Congresswoman, any comment?
Before her conviction, Corrine Brown made it clear she's fighting to the end.
I have devoted 34 years of my life to serving this community. And on my tombstone, it will not say felon. I mean that.
Brown was convicted on 18 felony counts and sentenced to 5 years in prison. This week, her motion for bond pending her appeal was denied.
If your trial judge won't give you bond pending appeal, it's very difficult for you to obtain bond pending appeal from the appellate court.
Brown has now enlisted the help of William Kent, a former federal public defender, to handle her appeals. Curtis Fallgetter, a former federal prosecutor, knows Kent.
The last several years, he has handled mostly appellate work, state and federal level, and of course she needs a good appellate lawyer.
The firm is Kent and McFarland, a boutique appellate law practice. Kent declined an interview, saying, "My practice is to not comment to the media about clients or their cases." So we checked into William Kent. He's been in practice since 1978. Martindale Hubbell gives him a 5 rating. He's been named Florida Super Lawyer 5 times. Fallgetter says even so, for Kent, an appeal for bond for Brown is going to be a struggle.
Again, Ken, I think that appeal is going to go nowhere, so she'll have to start serving her sentence.
Fallgetter, now in private practice, says the bigger struggle will be trying to overturn the conviction.
The appellate lawyer only can deal with those issues that were raised below and have to be part of the record.
Fallgetter says in Brown's case, the single issue was a dismissal of Juror 13, who said he was being instructed by the Holy Spirit.
A single issue on appeal is always a little bit dicey.
He says when it comes to reversing a conviction, the 11th Circuit has a very low ratio.
The 11th Circuit only reverses 2 or 3% of cases generally.
Now, Brown's deadline for appealing the order denying her bond pending her conviction appeal is next week. If that fails, she will surrender to the Federal Bureau of Prisons in January and fight her appeal from behind bars. Back to you.